Hey guys, today I'm gonna do my sound effects video, and it's gonna be pretty cool. But number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5. Oh, that one didn't go so good. That's it for my video today. Bye, guys.